Well, the summer season at Lake Hemet.
Summer
Float
season.
flying on a gorgeous 2-mile-an-hour morning. Doesn't get any better.
With Doug Dean in the
water is
background.
placid, the forest is green.
Look at this, yes.
And all the fishes drink. So there.
Water is clear, pretty nice, and you got your Cessna 150. First water flight.
Yeah. Turn right into Doug there.
Yeah, well, we'll get it squared away. There. Now we're squared away.
Flat half.
First flight off the water. Had several flights off the pavement already.
I'm in the landing lane. Okay, I'm on the landing lane first there. Taking off.
Here we go.
Torque.
Torque is pulling it over, isn't it?
To the right, it makes it a one-float takeoff.
It does. Yes, it does. Good job.
Gorgeous.
Nice.
Coming by for the splash and the dash.
All right.
Full flaps.
All right, full flaps.
Coming right by in front of you, Doug.
Looks pretty over the green.
All right.
Look at that. Oh boy, oh boy.
Actually, I'll let it go.
You're gonna harass the duck?
Get out of here before.
Okay, we're off again. Yeah.
Wants to push it up. Torque pushes it up onto the right float.
On to the right float, yeah.
Right.
Did Doug land?
He did.
All right.
He's on his shore line.
God, I love this shit.
Is it no longer twitchy?
Mr. Dan, did you buy your license today for the?
I bought the whole yearly pass.
You bought the yearly
I bought
pass
the songs for the whole year.
for the whole year.
Yes, I can come and go every day for 1 year for a small, short fee.
You know, the warden is here with the other airplane, and the warden may wish to see your license.
You have no license? Remember Peter Sellers in the
Oh,
oh my God, the Pink Panther?
Pink Panther, Peter Sellers, are priceless.
The guy says, "Does your dog bite?" He what? He says, "Does your dog bite? Does your dog bite?" And he goes, "No, my dog does not bite." And then the dog bites and he goes, "It's not my dog."
Not my dog. Oh,
But it was not my dog.
it was not my
I
dog.
thought you said, "Monsieur, the dog would not bite."
Well, you have made, that's your third successful water landing,
Yeah.
and your landings match the number of takeoffs. That is very good.
Kick in a little more rudder.
A little more rudder mix. And pull up beside the second Cessna, the game warden Cessna. The game warden is going to come and check your license.
I'm so proud of my DX6E.
You are. Hey, nice flying, Dan. Nice flying.